If you have an old or worn out button-up shirt, you can easily turn it into a throw pillow to decorate your space. This is a very simple sewing project that is great for beginners and is a great way to upcycle old clothing. Line up the square pattern with the shoulder seam. The top of the pattern should be more or less in line with the shoulders of your shirt. Now you want to cut the bottom and the sides of the square. Do not cut the top where the collar is. Now we need to add a flap of fabric to the top so that the pillow will not be visible through the collar of the shirt. There are two ways of going about this. The first is to take one of the scrap pieces of fabric that you just cut off and sew it to the back of the neckline and the shoulder seam inside of the shirt. Another way to do this is some shirts, not all shirts, but a lot of shirts, 2 layers on the upper back section of the shirt. It's called a yoke. And if you have this kind of shirt, all you have to do is cut that inside layer loose. And since it's already connected to the neck and shoulder seams, you don't have to do anything extra. Now you want to sew that fabric flap and baste it to the front of the shirt. After that, you want to fold the shirt in half with right sides together and sew along the bottom and the sides. Turn the shirt pillow to the right side through the button strip. And now all you have to do is stuff a pillow inside the shirt. Make sure to tuck it underneath that fabric flap at the top so that the pillow won't show through. And button up the shirt in the front and you're finished. You have a cute and quirky button-up shirt pillow.